So just wanted to make a video of this up and coming project here, my JB Weld engine. So this time I decided to go with a two-stroke engine there. This might be a Yardworks motor. I don't know what exactly it is, but anyway, I just wanted to show, I've only got one of these engines, and I just wanted to show, in case some people thought that I had just taken the original cylinder and JB welded up the fins and made it look solid, you know, like this lump here. It's cast down at there. The cylinder doesn't look all that great. It does have compression, so hopefully it will run. That's my intention, is to get it running. And I cast a little piece of steel in there by the spark plug threads, because I didn't trust JB Weld to hold the spark plug in. But this is the original cylinder. I'll show you here. The piston fits that one, and it also fits this one. Okay, not the best fit, but it works. So now I will reassemble it here and run it. So some of the purpose of this video is just to, sorry, not run it, spin it over. I'm a little while away from running it yet. I got to there. So if I spin this over here, it needs a gasket between it and the, there, see, it bumps up. Piston hits the top of the cylinder. So it does spin over. So I could show you this direction that I am indeed spinning the crank. Well, you can tell I'm spinning the crankshaft over there. Anyway, so just wanted to, you know, show people that it isn't just a filled-in normal cylinder there. Hey, there you go. You can see that. That's definitely made of JB Weld. Sorry about that delay there. Camera batteries died. I've been having a lot of problems with that. They don't like the cold. As you can see, it's not a perfect cylinder if the camera's looking in there. It's got nicks and stuff in it. I actually cast it with a this silicone liner in it there. Tried to make it like one-piece cast with not having to machine the cylinder, because I basically cast that right in there. But I had a heck of a time getting this out. It's like regardless of what I did, see, that's where the exhaust port will go right there. So I've got to cut that right through the cylinder wall there. Regardless of what I did, it always wanted to bond to the aluminum. You can see a little bit of my plasticine in there, and I don't know if you can see right in there a little bit of the blue, so it tore some of the silicone mold out. But anyway, so making a JB Weld engine here. Hope to get a little bit of run time out of it before it decides to launch itself. So yeah, built it up there around the top, around the spark plug and that. So I got to drill 2 holes right down through her all the way there, made up to hold it to the block. So it'll be the cylinder and valve system all combined in one lump of JB Weld. Anyway, everybody have a good one. I'll try to get this running here in the next few days if possible.